But we're really busy right now.
Once again, Peters has a bill collector on its doorstep.
Well, you are interfering, that's what I'm saying. Go out of the way. Hey, would you mind?
You gotta wait 2 minutes, I gotta talk.
Get out of the way.
What?
Why don't you go in the way so we can go on?
Don't get out of the way. Oh, wait a minute, I'm talking to them.
Why don't you go? No, get out the way.
I want to talk to you.
I'm saying go away. Go. Relax, relax. Oh no, relax. Relax. God, dear. Oh, shit.
How did I get stuck in this?
Who's the first nominee for the men?
They can speak for themselves, but they know who they are.
Hey, smartass, I asked you to tell me. Who's the first nominee and why?
No problem. Tony and Andy.
Listen, I know you may be slightly stupid. Unbelievable. One simple request, who and why, and you make a big f***ing song and dance about it.
I ain't no shit. I don't give a I ain't no
What?
fuck shit, dog. I ain't here for that. You want a f***ing jacket? You want to talk some shit? Let's go step outside, motherfucker. I ain't here for that, dog. Fuck you.
There you go.
You ain't nothing but a bitch.
You got no respect.
No respect.
Now get out. Watch the step.